Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it is interesting. I don't know why I find it kind of early and a little pushy for Eset, the antivirus company, to go out and say, hey, upgrade to Windows 11 now, or go to Linux if you're on Windows 10. Don't wait till the last minute. And I can't think of anything that is telling me a reason or giving me a reason that waiting for the last minute is a problem for Windows 10 users to decide what they want to do. It seems more like somebody is trying to have or help out Microsoft or something more than anything else, basically. So what happens is that Eset has come forward saying that Windows 10 is going to be a security nightmare and you shouldn't wait to move on to Windows 11 or to go to Linux. And the thing is there's going to be a $30, update, Patch Tuesday update year. So, no, why are you pushing people and saying, oh, yeah, we got to move on now? When, no, actually, they'll have another year with that, not counting that you can go to zero patch. What's in it for Eset? I have a hard time. They are the only one that came forward with in the antivirus companies out there. It's pretty much they're the only one that came forward and said, hey, we got to move on because if you don't move on, security hazard ahead. And I don't know. It just makes me. It surprises me that so soon. And like I said, even if you update in September for something else, so what? You're still secure. You're still fine. I don't see the rush. Is there going to be a rush of people buying Windows 10 machines, Windows 11 machines? Sorry, I don't see the rush right now. It's funny. I don't get it, and I think these companies should just wait. If I'd be an antivirus company or a security company, I want to say it now. I'd say, maybe starting in June or July, as we're getting closer, we'll start thinking about, there's no, of course, it's fine that you start looking and thinking about it now, but to have such a extreme message of move on, let's go, security hazard. Look, people have time and people love Windows 10 for now. It's obvious at 62% that we have a problem and Microsoft will have to deal with that. And, if people buy a $30 extension, and by the way, it's per machine. Somebody was asking me, is it, $30 for every house that has computers? No, it's every computer you have. So if you've got 4 Windows 10 machines running right now, you want to keep them for another year, it'll be $30 for each machine, which of course means $120 for 4 machine. So that's something to think about also. But still, and there's zero patch, like I said, that's out there. So hey, no worries. Don't have to panic. Windows 10 is fine for now. If you don't want to move on, hey, it's all right. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.